What's up, you guys? It's KeAmber Vaughn, aka Coach Ke, coming back to you with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are not new, welcome back. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell so that you are notified of every new video that I post. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, it's time to do the first paycheck to paycheck budget for the new year for the month of January. If you guys missed, I think this is my third video recording for today because I did the monthly spread, I did the paycheck to paycheck budget, and now I'm doing this one, and then I'm recording the sinking funds update right after this. Look, I'm trying to get these videos out to y'all because I know I missed Tuesday. I'm sorry. So I'm not sure how this is gonna work out. So my new planner, I have basically 5 notes pages. So the first notes pages is what I did the overall paycheck to paycheck budget on, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so then I have one page for each of the paycheck to paycheck budgets, and then the months where I have 5 weeks, I'm gonna have to figure out kind of how I'm gonna have to do that. I do have washi on the other side of this, so I don't know if that's gonna like mess me up at all. So this is going to be for the week of January 4th. And it's going to be January 4th through the 10th. Okay, so the income for the week is $2,523.06. And look, y'all, I went to the dollar store. I got me a ruler, y'all. Okay, so first things first, we have our fixed expenses. Here is going to be the due dates. And then, do I want to do, you know what? I am going to do that. Let's go ahead. I'm going to erase this because I feel like I want to move this over. Ooh, I forgot I wasn't supposed to use that one. I feel like I want to move this over a little bit so I can do like a plus or minus column over here. So let's do due date here. We're gonna do amount and then the plus or minus. Is that enough space, y'all? It's gonna have to be. Oh, I'm so mad that I just used that eraser. I keep forgetting I can't use that eraser. I used it for a pencil and you ain't supposed to do that, so now it's like all messed up. And really, honestly, I feel like I'm going to regret this. I always regret using permanent pens when I'm doing my budgeting because I always like have something that's messed up, y'all. It's always something. But I just really like these little pens, and I got these from the Dollar Tree. I just really love them. So the only fixed expense that I actually have this week is going to be my rent. And that is due on the 8th. And the amount is $1,665.80. And I already know that that's going to be on target, but we're just going to leave that there because you guys know we do the update following week. See where I don't use permanent? That's why, right there. Oh, Lord. Okay. So total, we got $1,665.80. And remaining, did I do that in, how did I do this last time? I feel like I did that in blue. No, I didn't. It was black. Okay. So remaining, we're gonna take the $25,2306 minus the $1,665.80. And that's going to leave us with $857.26. So now we have the variable expenses. Due dates, if any, amount, and then plus or minus. And honestly, I'm not going to use the plus or minus unless it's actually a difference. So if it like comes out to zero out like it was exact, I'm not going to use that column. Okay. So first we have our budget, which that's gas, groceries, all of that. There's no due date, of course, and we budget $375 per week for that. And what else do we got? We have travel. And this is technically going to be the 10th. And we budgeted $25 for that one. We also have Starbucks. No due date. I'm loading my card with $60. That'll take me through the whole month. Laundry. No due date. And that's going to be $20. And I believe that's it. Let me check. Let's see, rent, Starbucks, laundry, travel. Oh, one more. Then we have sideline, and that one is on the 6th, and that's going to be $99.99. So I told you guys, I think in just the last video, that I kind of do an every dollar budget now. I kind of figured that out recently, but it's not really. And you guys are going to see probably in this budget, because in the paycheck to paycheck budget, this week was actually negative. So let's see where we're at. $375, $25, $60, $20, $99. What the heck am I missing? Oh, you know what? That's because I see what. I budgeted my income at $2,000, but I'm up $500. So it's not going to end up actually being negative. So we have $579.99. That's total for this, which means that remaining we have $277.27, and then we have savings. So most of the time I actually don't start contributing to my savings until like the 2nd or 3rd week. It all kind of depends on my income. There's like a specific calculation that I do that I've been doing since before I even started budgeting at all, and it's always worked for me. So savings, and then we're gonna write date sent, and then amount. And I am gonna do plus or minus. That way if I do end up sending more, I can go ahead and write that in. Which typically I don't send more until the very end of the month. So I sent money to my tax sinking fund, and I'm actually going to be sending that money right after this video. So today is the 5th, and how much did I send? Or how much am I supposed to send? There's like a different page in my planner that I don't actually, okay. So, and y'all always tell me I ain't zoomed in far enough. There, is that better? Is that better? Let me zoom out a little bit though. Wait, I was trying to go out. All right. So what I sent was $273.96. So the total, $273.96, of course. Our remaining is $277.27 minus $273.96. Oh, see, we ended up being positive. When I did the paycheck to paycheck budget, the overview, I was projected to be over budget by like $275, I think. And look, I'm still under budget. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do like last month, and we're going to do our checks and balances for the checking account. So I'm gonna zoom y'all out again. So I'm gonna use, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna start here. So I'm gonna write projected. Then you're gonna go on and put that line so that we can follow up with the actual next week. Okay, so our beginning balance, it is the very beginning of the budget, so that's going to be $4,000. We're going to add the income, which the income was $2,523.06. That's going to give us $6,523.06 before like all the numbers and the spending starts to come out. Okay, so now I'm going to, and my camera is dying, so I'm going to try to hurry up. We have, I'm just going to write it out. The fixed expenses was $1,665.80. The variable was $579.99, and the savings I know what I was supposed to do. These was supposed to be red and that was supposed to be blue. I'm gonna make sure I get that right in the next one. So the savings was $273.96. So our projected ending balance, because we're going to subtract all of this. I'm like, these colors ain't looking right, y'all. 652306 minus 1665.80. I'm trying to hurry up before my camera die. I'm trying to hurry up before the camera die. Will be $4,003.31, which we know should be right, because if we take the beginning balance and we subtract or add whatever is remaining, that should give us what's here, and that is correct. So I hope that you guys liked this video. Of course, next week when I do next week's paycheck to paycheck budget, I will put the actual in here, and then we'll go ahead and start the next week. We'll do our pluses and minuses. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the paycheck to paycheck budget videos thus far. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, share it with a friend so that you could tell a friend to tell a friend to come on to this channel. But other than that, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.